Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to present my white paper report, which focuses on the securing web application from SQL injection threats. We will utilize two powerful tools, including OpenSL and SQL Map. Okay, let's dive into how these tools help mitigate vulnerabilities and ensure data security. In this presentation, we'll first cover a quick overview of the tools, followed by two demos, one showing how SQL Map helps detect vulnerabilities in the database, and another showing how OpenSL can secure the data in transit. Finally, we'll conclude by summarizing their benefits. Okay, let's start with the OpenSL overview. OpenSL is widely used to secure communications using SL and TLS protocols. It encrypts data, ensuring that even if attackers exploit a vulnerability, they cannot read sensitive information in transit. Mm, OpenSL feature set including three main features. First one is SL configuration. It provides the necessary tools for the installation and management of SL certificates to effect secure the connections and ensure that the data in transit is encrypted. Second one is data encryption. They will support encryption of files and database. And finally is key management. It allows for the creation and management of cryptographic keys, assuring that an exchange of data is secure while maintaining encryption standards. Okay, let's move to the SQL overview. SQL Map is a powerful tool that automates the process of detecting and exploiting SQL injection vulnerabilities. It saves time and effort when security professionals need to perform a quick check on web application to find potential SQL injection flaws. Uh, it includes three main features, including basic scanning, provides advanced features and reporting. With the basic scanning, it automates the process of SQL injection vulnerability detection by scanning the entire input fields and parameters in web applications. It also provides the database fingerprinting, data extraction, and even way to evade security measures like WAFs, providing a comprehensive tool for identification and exploitation SQL injection vulnerabilities. Last one is the reporting. It will generate in-depth reports that outline all discovered vulnerabilities and possible exploits. We can help organizations prioritize and deal with security. Now, we will move to the OpenSL demo. Let's start by going through the demo flow for OpenSL. First, we will generate SL certificate with OpenSL. This allows us to configure the Node.js application to handle secure HTTPS requests. The flow then check if is SL enabled. Yes, we will have two scenarios. So, and then we will send requests from the client to server and use TCP dump to capture the traffic and analyze the traffic with the T-Shack. Then we will conclude the demo by comparing the results. Okay, with the demo integration flow I presented before, I already set up a database that integrates the OpenSL certificate key here with a user table, simple user table here with two rows of database and simple Node.js application for the client to call API and an environment file to define the USL or not. I'll start this with the flow that disable the OpenSL. And I will use TCP dump to capture the request and response between the client and server. And I will call the API here. Then the API calls successfully. And I will use T-Shark to analyze the request when the database is not encrypted here. And you can see here the request, the specific request and specific response from the client and server will be extracted here if it's not encrypted. Okay, I will change it to true to use OpenSL and start the app and um, use TCP dump to capture the request and call the API and use the shark to analyze the capture. And you can see now the request and the response are encrypted. Here you can compare two scenario here. And so that's all for the OpenSL with the Node.js app. Now let's move to SQL Map demo session. I'll be using SQL Map to detect SQL injection vulnerabilities in a local database. Here's first we will configure a Node.js application with a deliberate SQL vulnerability. The SQL Map tool is then run to detect the SQL injection points in the web application. Then I will dump the data from the vulnerable database and analyze the dump data. Okay, let's move to the SQL map demo. Here's I already start the Node.js app, and I will use some simple syntax of as well SQL map to detect how this app will be attacked. And it detected that this app will be attacked by four types here, including boolean based, stack query, time based, and union query. Okay, so I will extract the data here, and you can see which with a simple step we can extract all the data from the user table here. And this is the SQL map that help the organizations to detect the SQL injection vulnerabilities from their application. Let's move to the conclusion section. To conclude, SQL map helps find vulnerabilities while OpenSL ensures that any intercepted data remains encrypted. By combining both tools, we create a robust security layer for preventing and mitigating SQL injection attacks. Okay, that's all. Thank you for joining me today for this presentation on SQL injection tools. I appreciate your time and attention. Thank you once again.